started last Monday with the kickoff. We welcomed the 15 startups here in Frankfurt, and what really stood out that we had a dedicated matchmaking before. So there was a level of trust already built, and what really stands out at the Startup Safari is that we really go to the office of our program partners. For example, with Baker McKinsey, we were able to see the whole skyline of Frankfurt while being on the top floor, one of the greatest buildings in Frankfurt, and pitch in front of that amazing partner.
We are part of this AI startup ecosystem, basically. So what is very difficult is you have to build a technology that is really stable and functioning. And that's why we are happy to be part of the TQ Digital Finance Accelerator, for example. We need access to the finance industry, to the big corporates, and that's what we are hoping for.
I think it's very important to have introductions and have a network that you can work from. You can work hard to do everything yourself, but being part of a great network really helps you to accelerate.
Frankfurt plays a major role. Obviously, all the banks are here, kind of the headquarters of the financial industry. When it comes down to banks, also interesting would be building with the fintechs and the neobanks and neobrokers. Specifically, obviously, that's the core banking market in Germany. So nice to be here, yeah.
From the emotional side as a founder or a team member in a startup, I think you need a lot of love to the project, passion, and
money.
money.
We always need money.